Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Jeremiah Jocelyn, Project Manager with America's Home Place in Oxford, Alabama. I'm currently on site at a house that we are building, which is a Jillian house plan on a slab. We've reached an exciting time in this home at this particular stage of the build because we've already completed the mechanicals, which are the plumbing, the electrical, the HVAC. We've insulated the walls and we're ready to hang the sheetrock. But at this particular time, I'm specifically keen to take notice of where my electrical boxes are, my outlets are, and I do a full walkthrough of everything, all of the trades, before I hang the sheetrock. And remember, you could go to americashomeplace.com to take a look at all of our customizable house plans and see if any of them fit your specific needs. Again, don't forget to like and to subscribe to this page for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.